We wanted to make sure that everyone could enter the giveaway, so we are giving away a GoPro Hero 9 and a $50 gift card to grindhardplumbingco.com, which is where you can get the merch to win this Banshee for free. So all you have to do is sign up to our mailing list. It's totally free, the link is in the description, and we'll just choose a random person on the mailing list, and that person will shoot you an email, and you will win the GoPro and a $50 gift card. And since the Banshee giveaway is every $5 spent on the site gets you an entry, that's going to be 10 entries to win this Banshee. And all you have to do is sign up for the mailing list, and you'll get whatever merch you choose you want from our website. It's a win-win-win, and super free. I did a poll on the YouTube channel that just said, what would you do if you won the Banshee? And that's how I got this idea, because a lot of you guys said, like, oh, love it and take care of it and make videos with it. And I was like, you know, there's probably a lot of people who follow us that want to make videos, and this is a great place to start. 4K camera, fits in your pocket, waterproof, set it up on a tripod, film yourself. We'll add a whole bunch of attachments and stuff so you can actually use it, like a helmet holder and all that stuff. But yeah, that's how I got the idea. And if you guys have more ideas like that, we do read all of the comments, so just send them on down below.
Man, you really make it sound like we're sponsored by GoPro. You're really selling that thing well. If only we actually were!
I mean, Casey Neistat isn't even sponsored by GoPro, so man, there's just a long way to go.
Bad jerks!
Things are improving outside as we speak. It was gray at times, and we saw some blue skies. You saw the sun for the first time in a while. Put together a list for you because things are getting better, and we're going to watch them continue to get better.